All right, what's up, everyone? Happy Thursday we got here today. Another lovely day here in Wisconsin. And just want to jump on here quick and share a little bit of thoughts on a little bit of mindset stuff and just overall believing in yourself. Because, I mean, if we have goals, whether that is fitness related, health related, work related, um, career related, school related, success related, just life in general, and kind of a successful life, whatever that means to you. It could mean anything to you. For someone, it might be being a millionaire. For someone else, it might just be being able to pay their bills comfortably or have a family or whatever success is to you. That it doesn't really matter in that aspect, but it's how you get there, how you achieve that. And a lot of times we see other people, we see the social media influencers, we see the rich and the famous, and we are comparing ourselves to them, and we get kind of that jealousy of, oh, why did they get there? How did they do it? And you start thinking, I'm better than them. I could do this. And that's what you need to think. It's in that self doubt always creeps in as, oh, maybe you haven't, like, for example, my business, it has not been as great as it should be or as I expected it to be in year three here. But that's my fault. And I take ownership in that, and I need to work and reset my goals and focus on that because and change my mindset. And that's the thing. Self doubt always creeps in. We're human beings, so it's natural to have that self doubt creep in, whatever it is you're trying to achieve, whatever your goals are, whether, like I said, that's business or fitness or whatever. That self doubt, that negative mindset always seems to creep in, and it seems a lot more abundant than a positive mindset. And that's just where working on it and practicing and focusing on your mind and believing in yourself, and instead of saying, why them, why are they doing it? Oh, they don't deserve that, or I don't deserve this because of whatever reason. I haven't done enough, or I can't do that, or I can't do this, or I don't have time to do that. Instead of thinking that, think, why not me? Why can't you do it? You have all the tools, you have everything in your control. Control what you can control and strive towards getting there, and start thinking, if they can do it, why not me? Um, Maybe it's some person in town that you see running a successful business, and you think, that person is running a successful business. Why not me? I could do it. And it's just all about believing in yourself and kind of reframing that and turning it around, and then answering that question for my for say you're trying to um, add 10 pounds of muscle. Um, you see this jack guy on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and you think, why not me? And then you answer that question and kind of figure out, why haven't I been able to do that? You set the goals. So add 10 pounds of muscle, and then you work backwards from there, creating behavior goals that are going to get you there. So you got to figure out what you got to do to get to that goal. So you want to gain 10 pounds of muscle, you need to go to bed, get 7+ hours of sleep a night. You need to eat in a caloric surplus, focusing on whole, nutrient dense, real foods. You need to train 3 to 5 times a week. And that's a good start. Start there, start small, simply pick a habit, work on that for a while, then add on. And it's all about thinking, it all starts in your mind and changing that and figuring, why not me? Why, if that person can do it, why not me? I can do it. No problem there. And just focus on developing that belief, that self belief, because that's what limits us from achieving what we want to be. It's not anyone else. It's not the government. It's not your friend or your family. It's you. It's your mind. It's constantly holding you back. I run into it too. It's we like I said, we're all human beings. It's natural that this happens, but it's just recognizing and realizing when it does happen. We need to learn to kind of flip it around, use it to our advantage, and take action on it and figure out what your goals are, work backwards from there, and find out what you need to do, the habits and behaviors you need to do to achieve those goals, whatever maybe, like I said, fitness, health, work, school, family. So work backwards from there. And again, it's all about building that self belief in yourself and turning those negative thoughts, that self doubt, into more positive things like, why not me? Why can't I do it? I can do this. It's If someone else can do it, you got more experience, you got more knowledge, you're a better athlete, you're whatever. Why not you? So that is my question to you: is why not you? Why can't you do what you want to do? And the answer is you can do it. It's about belief. It's about putting in the work, getting things done, building habits and behaviors that are going to lead you to where you want to be. So that's what I wanted, my short little spiel on that today. But also wanted to make an announcement. I just posted it. July and August camps. There's still time to register for my summer youth camps. So I posted the link in my most recent post, so you can check out that website. Get some more information. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm an open book. I will answer any of your questions on that. I believe the first one, or the July one, is planned for July 1st or July 11th, and then the August one is planned to start on August 1st. So it'll be 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. 1 p.m. is right now. I mean, that time could be adjusted if needed. But 3 days a week, we're going to meet probably at Glen Park, get outside, get the kids active, teach them how to move, teach them how to be more athletic, be faster, be stronger, but doing it in a way that is not monotonous. It's actual real physical education, because a lot of times physical education classes today aren't actually physical education. It's just a lot of games. And yes, we will be learning, playing games, and that's how I teach kids, is proper movement through games and stuff like that. But we're working on movement patterns, working on balance, coordination, strength, speed, helping them build confidence, that they can just walk in, keep their heads up, and just have that confidence, that aura around them. And most importantly, they're going to have fun. So we'll make it fun for them, challenging for them, and look forward to doing that. So get your kids signed up. Again, the link is in my most recent post. Or if you have a question, shoot me a message and I will get you the link for that. So any other questions, guys? Thank you for your time. I appreciate it, and have a wonderful Thursday.